Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Sussex County in southern Delaware, southwestern Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Talbot County in eastern Maryland, Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, southwestern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, until 9 p.m. At 8:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Carville, or over Centerville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Centerville, Chestertown, Denton, Centerville, Camden, Greensboro, Oakland, Ridgely, Churchill, Sudlersville, Goldsboro, Queen Anne, Woodside, Viola, Hartley, Old Town, Star, Jumptown, and Hazlettville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent, and Sussex, and the following counties: in Maryland, Caroline, Kent,